When an entire section of your holiday lights don't work, finding the problem can take all the fun out of decking those halls. Instead of replacing the whole set, here are some easy ways to quickly find the problem and fix your lights.
Light sets have two fuses inside the male plug. If they blow out, they're easy to replace.
There are a few ways to tell if you need to replace the fuse.
Plug the bad set into an outlet. Grab a set of lights you know is working and plug them into the set that isn't working. If the good set still lights up, the fuses aren't causing the problem. You can also use a voltage tester to test the wires coming out of the side of the plug. Then test the other side. If there's no power detected in the cord, replace the fuses. Light repair tools are also great for testing fuses to see if they're working. When replacing a fuse, always remember to use one with the same amperage as the original fuse. To replace a fuse, unplug the lights, slide open the hatch in the plug, pop out the fuse, and slide the new fuse into place. Using a flathead precision screwdriver or micro pliers makes this easier. If the fuses are working, another common problem for light sets could be the bulb. One burnt-out bulb can knock out a whole section of mini lights. Incandescent bulbs have a shunt that acts as a bypass when the bulb's filament burns out. This should keep the circuit going. If it doesn't, a specialty light repair tool can send a pulse into the light set, repairing the faulty shunt.
If that doesn't work, the set may be burnt out from one bad bulb. You'll need to find the bad light to replace it.
Use a voltage tester or a light repair tool to test the bulb sockets for electrical current. If you find a bulb that doesn't set off the tester, replace that bulb or the one just before it. Unplug the lights. Pull out the old bulb with its plastic base. Some replacements have the base already attached. If not, then straighten the wires on the new bulb. Thread them through the two slots on the base and smooth them down. And slide the bulb and the case back into the light set. Here are a couple more helpful tips. Squirrels and mice are attracted to something in wire coating and will chew through electrical wiring. If you see signs of this, it's best to replace the entire set. There's a risk of shock or sparking a fire from bare or damaged wire. To eliminate hassles, try LED sets with newer continuous on technology. The wiring keeps the entire set of lights going even if one bulb burns out.
For more holiday style ideas and setup tips, take a look at the other topics on ACE's Holiday Lighting and Decor playlist, and visit your neighborhood ACE or acehardware.com to find items like the ones featured in these videos.